All right, we're back with another AppSumo weekly roundup. Coming in hot, top deals of this week are BullTool, SnackEat, CubeWP, Hypi, Createsquare, and then a couple of others we'll look at here in a second. Okay, I have no idea what any of these are, so this is going to be interesting. It looks like one of them's a WordPress plugin. So the first one up is BullTool. Quickly edit and enhance visual content with an all-in-one AI-powered content creation toolkit. Actually has, what is that, over 4.5 stars, so that's pretty good so far. Editing just one image can send you scouring the internet for tutorials like a modern-day Indiana Jones. It's hard to consistently churn out fresh creative campaigns when you're wasting time toggling between complicated single-function editing tools. Imagine if there was an AI-powered tool right in your browser that made it easy to create polished visuals for your brand. Check out BullTool. Remove, replace, or blur image backgrounds automatically and make manual adjustments too. Use AI to edit photos and videos right from your browser. No downloads or technical skills required. Okay, so it looks like it's a browser-based video and photo editing software. So is it similar to Canva? Doesn't look like it has any templates. It looks like it's just an editor. I like the blurring backgrounds. That's really neat. Not a whole lot of editors do that. Most of them will remove it. Not a whole lot will just blur it. So that's pretty cool. And it does start at $29. So the features. Looks like they are going to be tied to their plans, which we'll look at here in a second. Features include portrait background remover, background blur, photo filters and effects, photo animation effects, image resizer and image compressor, and sugar comments. I have no idea what that is. So license tier 1 starting at $29. You get 10 batch processing, unlimited object background remover and changer, unlimited object eraser, unlimited image enhancer, unlimited AI paraphraser, unlimited photo storytelling. I have no idea what that is either. Now, tier 2 jumps up by $40 instead of just another $29, so that's an interesting pricing model. You get unlimited batching. Everything else is the same, except you get 20 minutes per month of video enhancers as well. So if you want to edit videos, looks like this is the one you need. You need tier 2. Okay, so let's go to their website, see what they got here. Remove background, okay. They got an object remover, object background remover, image enhancer, okay, that's neat. Photo filters and effects, image resizer, image compression, which is cool. Photo animation effects, that's awesome. A face swapper, that's just creepy. It's not out yet, it's coming soon. Background blur, which is really cool. All right, here's the AI paraphraser. Input text. When designing, you will need text and colors to bring your ideas to life. Output text. Text and colors are essential to bring your ideas to life when creating. All right, it's exactly what it says it is. Maybe I was kind of hoping it was something else. Okay, sugar comments. Let our tool sweeten your words and spread love with every comment. Photo storytelling. Conquer writer's block and create engaging stories for your photos. Unlock true potential of your photos. One day my cat went to the store. He saw an ad for a dog looking at a camera. The ad said he would take pictures while sitting on the couch. That's dumb. Okay. So video tools. You got a video enhancer as well. That's pretty awesome. Video background remover. Coming soon, not here yet. Video in painting, coming soon. That's awesome. Okay, I can see a lot of value in this one. This one's pretty cool. Let's check their normal pricing before we move on to the next one. So they do have a free plan. Looks like it's just for photos. Looks like their pro is what you're getting for the $29 here. And then the ultra, which is the video one, is what you're getting for the $69. It's only $10 more here. It's double the price, but the lifetime is actually over double. So that's an interesting pricing model again. Okay, I can see some value in that. That's neat. Definitely would not mind looking more into that one. They got a free plan too, so you could even try it out for free. Bonus. All right, let's go to the next one. SnackEat. Create high-quality forms, quizzes, and landing pages to captivate your site's visitors. Let's see what it says. Getting your customers to engage with your website shouldn't feel like asking your vegan friend to go to McDonald's with you. You know an engagement rate would increase your conversions, but leveling up your website with meaningful interactive opportunities is way beyond your skill level. Imagine if there was a tool that let you easily create high-quality forms, quizzes, and landing pages to captivate your site's viewers. Visitors, not viewers. I can't talk. Take a bite out of SnackEat. Not a big fan of the name, but okay. Great. Interactive content experiences to share or embed anywhere on the web. Track your story performance and connect it to existing tools like your CRM. Integrations are ActiveCampaign, which is email marketing software. Facebook Pixel, so you can retarget them. Pabbly Connect, webhooks, and Zapier. It's an alternate to Linktree, Typeform, and Video Ask. Does have white label features. Okay. All right, so this one's interesting. And again, if you guys want me to start showing the videos on this, post in the comments down below. I don't want to waste everybody's time and make these videos super long. So if you like how it's being done now, just, hit the like button, whatever. But if you want me to do the videos, I don't mind playing them. I'm frankly kind of interested myself, but I don't want to bore you guys at the same time because most of these are like, 2.5 minutes each. So times 5 to 8 per roundup, that can add up pretty quick. Okay, so you got your quizzes here, your surveys. So you kind of design a widget and then embed it in your website. Is that what it is? And then here's the data, it tracks it. That's pretty cool. All right, let's check out the features of this thing. Unlimited quizzes, surveys, forms, questions, question types, stories, and pages per story. Webhook to get all real-time data, all basic native integrations such as SendBlue, Google Sheets, Zapier, etc. Facebook Pixels, data export, no branding, stories, banners. I don't know what stories are. They need to explain that better. All right, so tier 1 starting at $49 gives you 15,000 visitors or users per month. 2 team members, 1 story banner. And tier 2 is $129. You get 30,000, so double. You get 5 team members, 1 story custom domain. What is a story? What do they mean by that? We're going to go to their website in a sec. Hopefully we can figure it out from there. Email verification by code. Create your own templates. Brand, presets, and custom fonts. Why isn't that included on the first one? Come on now. Schedule story and expiration and overlays. Tier 3 jumps up to a whopping 100,000 users. 10 team members, 5 story custom domains. If a story is a brand like what I expect it to be, I don't know for sure. I haven't found verification of that yet. But if it is, then this is your marketer's one right here, number 3. Okay, gets everything else over there, just more and unlimited story banners and stuff. You can also schedule stories and expiration and overlays, custom email auto reply, video transcript generation, Instagram Connect for business accounts, and AMP in Google Web Stories. And then tier 4 is just double. Let's scroll up, see the reviews. Almost 5 stars on reviews. That's pretty good. This guy gave it a 1. Wow. Bought 1 code for product for $49 that comes... Now it comes back completely different due to the features to create web stories. But to use the new flagship of this product, I will need to invest another $106, which seems like a trick. Yes, a trick. Okay, he's saying that the code 1 is not worth it and the code 2 is not worth it because it doesn't come with the Google Web Stories. Now, I don't know a whole lot about Google Web Stories. I've never optimized for those. I've never bothered to do them. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of insider information on that one. But he doesn't seem too happy about it not being included on the first 2 tiers. The creator seems kind of, no. Maybe there's something that he doesn't understand. Looks like he bought it from before, maybe? Okay, here's a 3-star. I love 3 stars. Great product with no major updates for Mazer? I'm assuming he means major updates for LTD users. It's really a great product, but LTD holders won't get major updates. New features like leaderboard, which may not cost much to develop or to the developer, is not given to even AppSumo Tier 4. No WordPress plugin yet. Story size not changeable. From what I've read so far, the creator of this app does not seem to like critiques or anything bad being said about his project, which is actually a very bad sign in my opinion. That's a huge red flag. Most people that, especially creators that are trying to develop a good product, take the criticism. If it's not a feasible feature to add or a feasible request, tell the truth. Say, hey, that's just not what we're shooting for. This guy seems to get offended at every little thing. This guy's simply saying there's no plugin, which for web stories, you expect there to be a plugin for things that create web stories on a website. So that's understandable. And then apparently they don't give the leaderboard. They didn't give the leaderboard to LTD holders, which again is not, in my opinion, a big deal. But yeah, he doesn't seem to take criticism very well from the few that I've seen so far. Okay, so let's check out their website real quick and then we'll move on. I'm not impressed with the creator, but the product looks pretty neat. Again, I don't use web stories though, so this is probably something I need to get to test out. Yeah, so it looks like you create your web stories and you're going to create widgets. This is interesting. Problem is I just don't really know how to use it. I don't know anything about it. I've never tried to even look into web stories. They launched, I want to say like a year ago with Google, and they just died. They never gave traffic to anyone that I knew. So I never looked into it really. So they do have a free plan. You can go try it. 14-day free trial. Okay, all future scale plans. So it looks like their mid-range one. You're going to get all the updates for that, except for the leaderboard one. 50,000 per month. What are these ones? Up to 100,000, really. Yeah, so from what I understand, again, I'm speaking from quite a bit of ignorance here. Tier 3 seems to be the best deal. Tier 3 and 4. If you're going to get anyone, do 3. Because apparently the other 2 are missing some pretty important stuff, like the web stories, for example. Yeah, I would have to look into this before I could really even give you any quality information. So, unfortunately, let's move on to the next one. CubeWP. Launch advanced websites using this code-free dynamic site builder for WordPress. Quickly launch advanced websites using a code-free dynamic site builder for WordPress. When you aren't a coding wizard, building your own website can feel like you're trying to pass off a bad card trick as real magic. Even with concrete vision, you still end up wasting so much time choosing a WordPress theme and juggling all those buggy third-party plugins. Imagine if there was a dynamic WordPress content builder that made it easy to create the website of your dreams. Meet CubeWP. Literally every website or WordPress block builder or whatever, all of them say the exact same thing. So just keep that in mind. Access dynamic features like front-end management, peer-to-peer messaging, reviews and ratings, monetization, search, and more. Building a stunning website with a user-friendly front end, dynamic form builders, and layout managers. Integrations with Envato, Google, Facebook, WooCommerce, and WordPress. Best for developers, freelancers, and web design agencies. Okay, looks like it is a WordPress plugin. Create, modify, and manage dynamic layouts and forms, giving you total control over your content. Kind of reminds me of Divi, actually. Okay, looks like it's drag and drop. Build different types of site forms with innovative drag and drop builders. So is it just a form builder, not a website builder? User dashboard. Interesting. All right, so let's go down to the features, see what we got. CubeWP Front-End Pro, CubeWP Payments, CubeWP Inbox, CubeWP Reviews and Ratings, and CubeWP Boosters. Advanced Search Form Builder, Advanced Filter Builder, User Registration Form Builder, User Profile Form Builder, Single Post Template Editor, Post Types Form Builder, User Dashboard Builder, Post Loop Generator, P2P Messaging, I'm assuming that's person to person, Reviews and Ratings, Pricing Plans, Ad Campaigns, imports and exports. License tier 1 gives you 5 licenses. Tier 2 gives you 25 licenses. Tier 3, 150. And Tier 4, a whopping 300 websites. All right, let's go check out their website real quick. All-in-one dynamic content framework. Layout customizer, time-saving tool, ultimate free solution. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't quite understand what this is. Yeah, this almost seems like something more than most of the other builders. I wish I had more time to dig into it, to be honest, and watch a couple of these videos to better understand it. But I do want to keep these roundups a little shorter. So let's check their pricing really quick. The personal is for one website. It's 49 bucks. The 5 website one is 74. And they actually sell a lifetime version of it pretty much all the time. So their $49 one, they sell generally for $149. So you save 100 bucks by buying through AppSumo. Interesting. So if you're interested in some kind of a major site builder, like seems very in-depth, go check out CubeWP. And if you want me to do a full highlight on it so I can actually get in there and understand this a little better, then let me know, post it down in the comments. Let's go on to the next one, Hypi. Build your dream web, mobile, and desktop apps quickly and without touching a line of code. So this is going to be a no-code app builder. Easily create web, mobile, and desktop apps using a no-code drag-and-drop builder. It's tough to bring your great app ideas to life when you don't have the coding skills to do it yourself. Unfortunately, outsourcing the labor to dev contractors is super expensive and means you're not really in creative control of your projects. If only there was a code-free platform that let you create stunning, functional apps just by dragging and dropping widgets and modules. Okay, so you can build workflows to streamline processes and automate tasks like submitting forms, searching for data, and querying databases. Quickly create and publish apps for web, mobile, and desktop without writing a single line of code. Nice. It's only got 1 review, but it is a 5-star review, so this must be just really fresh. Okay, this is very similar to... It looks very similar to AppHive that AppSumo had before. Oh, okay, so this is pretty much exactly like Scratch Code. It's a very simple coding website that you can actually learn to code for free on. Really neat, and it looks exactly like this. Okay, I like this. So let's jump on down to the features. You get unlimited users, unlimited push notifications, 2 GB file uploads per month per app, 5 GB network in, and 5 GB network out per month per app, core app, aggregations, maths API, authorization, workflows and triggers, webhooks, user-defined functions. For Tier 1, it's only $49. You get 2 mobile apps, 8 models per app. I don't know what that means. 25 API requests per month. 10,000 database rows per month. I don't know what that means either, unfortunately. 1 hour of serverless time per month and 1 API request per second. Tier 2, $129. You get 10 mobile apps, 15 models per app, 100,000 APIs per month, 30,000 database rows per month, 3 hours of serverless time, 2 API requests per second, 10 sub-accounts, and you get white labeling on this one. And Tier 3, you just get more of everything. Tier 4, you get 50 apps. That's crazy. It specifically only says mobile apps, but it said up here you can do web apps and desktop apps. So are those unlimited? So let's go check out the 1 review, see what he said. Ooh, it would be a book. Okay, this really isn't a review. This is kind of just like a bunch of questions. So we're going to just ignore that review and say it doesn't really have any quality reviews yet. Brand new. So here's their website. Build web, mobile, and desktop apps for your business remarkably fast. We're going to go ahead and scroll down, let you look at everything fairly slowly. I'm not going to read through the entire page. It does look fairly simplistic to use. Price plans, unlimited access for $5 per developer per month. And they do have a free one, looks like. So you can go ahead and try it out for free before you even before you buy it. So that's definitely worth doing, I would say. Especially for no-code apps, you definitely want to, if they have a free option, you definitely want to get in there and try it. See if you even like the UI. UI matters quite a bit with this type of stuff. I bought AppHive a couple months back, and I didn't like the layout of it, so I ended up getting rid of it because of that. Yeah, I wouldn't buy this one first. I'd go try out the free trial first. So head over to the website at hypi.app and check it out. Their regular prices are $35. All future growth plan updates. So the plan they're tied to is the $55 plan, and all of them are tied to that, no matter which one you get, it looks like. All right, so there you go. No-code app developer. That one's pretty cool. Createsquare is what's next. Design, caption, hashtag, and schedule social media posts with this all-in-one marketing tool. All right, so this one's like a buffer. Yep, alternative to Buffer, Canva, Jasper. It's got almost a 5-star all-around rating with the 7 reviews. It's not a whole lot of reviews, though. Managing your social media account shouldn't feel like a weird spin on that iconic Jay-Z lyric, "I got 99 tools, but I just want one." I don't know what that means, honestly. When you're using so many different single-use tools to create, schedule, optimize, and manage your posts, stuff is bound to fall through the cracks. If only there was one comprehensive tool that made it easy to take care of all your social media content needs on a single browser tab. Introducing Createsquare. Create professional visuals from 2,000 plus templates using a robust graphics editor. Research hashtags, write content with AI, and schedule posts to all your social media accounts. It integrates with over 20 third-party apps. Looks like a little more complicated than what Canva is. Not in love with the look of that, but I've seen worse. There's the AI copywriter, the hashtags. You just put it all together. Okay, and you just select which one you want to add it to. I like that. Okay, so let's look at the features. You get unlimited users, transparent background export, multiple export resolutions, 120 plus AI copy templates available, pro design editor, text editor, AI long blog writer. That's interesting. Seems kind of out of place. Multiple template resolution, app store. Okay, also interesting. Unlimited template library, unlimited stock asset library. That's big. Unlimited quotes. I don't know what that means. All right, license tier 1 starting at $49. You get 1 workspace, 5 social media accounts, 50 scheduled posts per month. I don't understand why they limit scheduled posts per month and they also limit the social media accounts. Do one or the other, not both. That's annoying. 25 Instagram hashtag searches per month. I don't know what that is, but I don't use Instagram. 5,000 AI words per month is pretty much nothing. So if you're going to use any kind of AI long-form writer, that's not going to last barely anything. Tier 2, you get 5 workspaces, 20 social media accounts, 500 posts per month, 100 hashtag searches, 10,000 AI words, and double the storage. Then Tier 3 gives you unlimited workspaces, 100 social media accounts, 1,000 scheduled posts per month. On the posts per month, if you have 100 social media accounts, is that basically only 10 posts per month for each one? Is that how that works? Or is it? That's got to be how it works. So if that's the case, per social media account, license Tier 2 is the best. Now, keep in mind, I don't do social media outside of YouTube. Not really. So 500 Instagram hashtag searches per month, 25,000 AI words per month, and 3 gigabytes of storage. Shouldn't it be like 4, for $200 more than Tier 2? You only get 1 more gig of storage. Tier 3 doesn't sound like a good deal at all. I would say Tier 2 is definitely the way to go. Yeah, Tier 3 sucks. Don't get Tier 3. All right, so let's check out some of the reviews real quick. All right, looks great, but no Twitter. Well, Twitter is key for me, and not having it directly because of the API costs won't work. There is a workaround suggested, but it didn't work for me, so I had it refunded. Okay, so they don't have Twitter. And that seems to be the only complaint, is the lack of Twitter. All right, so let's check out their website. Yeah, their editor looks actually kind of complicated, to be honest. And there's the scheduler. It doesn't seem to have a calendar that I've seen yet. Most of these have a calendar of some type, so it kind of sucks that this doesn't. Right marketing, easy text editor, and blog. Yeah, blog writer. That's dumb. I don't like that. Edit your videos to look crappy, apparently. Okay, so you can schedule posts. They just don't have it in a calendar style. You can design graphics with Muse. Captionator is where you generate text with the AI. Steno is easy text editor and AI blog writer. Apollo is your video editor. It's not out yet. It's coming soon. Quotes, search and save quotes from authors and more. That's actually interesting. I kind of like that, actually. Okay, tags. Create and manage hashtag groups. Okay, so you set up like hashtags that work for your company or whatever, and then you save that as a template. Nice. Free stock assets. That is a good name for that. That's exactly how I feel about it. Okay, and they are still missing Twitter. All right, so they're connected to Unsplash, Pixabay, Pexels, Tenor, Tweety Mobile, Giphy, OpenMoji, and Google Fonts. So pretty much all the free graphics things they're connected to. Interesting. So let's check their regular pricing. We're connected to the creator plans with the LTD. So the mid-range one, that's where you'll get all the updates from the mid-range one. Except you get a way more AI words with this. Okay, the LTDs really are not that generous with AI words at all. Or social media scheduled posts. This one's given 100 posts per social media account. You get more social media accounts on the LTD, but nowhere near as many posts. If you're a prolific poster, it may not work for you. Looks like they filled up the LTD with a bunch of useless stuff like workspaces, and they limited you on the important stuff like the scheduled posts. $300, you only get 1,000 scheduled posts. You might as well just buy license tier 2 twice. Honestly, that would be a way better deal, and you save $100. Yeah, I think we're done with this one. So if you need a poster that's kind of like a buffer, yeah, I would do license tier 2 for sure. I wouldn't even look at the other two. License tier 2 is so drastically better. It is 10 times as many posts as you get from tier 1. It's 4 times the Instagram hashtags. It's twice as much AI words, twice as much storage, and 4 times the social media accounts for $100. I mean, honestly, tier 2 is just simply underpriced. It's not that tier 3 is overpriced. Tier 2 is underpriced. So buy tier 2 if you're going to buy this at all. It's by far the best deal. All right, so let's go down to the other ones. Nurture business-to-business contacts on all stages of your sales pipeline. We've already looked at this one. Check out last week's AppSumo Roundup. This was one of the main ones on there. We're not going to go over it twice here. Storipress. I believe we went over this one already as well, but this one wasn't last week's. It was the week before that. I'll post in the cards up above, so if you're interested in this one. It's basically like a Trello, if I remember right. I think this is the one that I was talking about, that it's kind of like a bunch of free things online smashed together. They have weird limits on stuff. I don't even understand what that's for. I did a roundup already with this one in it. I will put it up in the cards, so check that out if you're wanting to look at that one already. I don't want to rehash the same ones twice. Createsquare. Createsquare is basically just a Canva, it looks like. It's alternative to Canva, Buffer, Jasper. Okay, so it's got an AI and probably has some kind of a scheduled post thing. I believe Canva actually has that as well. I've never used it. I know I've said this about 1,000,000 times on this channel already, but I don't really do social media outside of YouTube. So 100,000 colorful polished templates, over 1,000,000 free images and videos, remove the background of any image, and resize your assets in one click. Canva can do all that. Based on GPT-3 and the AI content writer generates captions, hashtags, and product descriptions in over 20 languages. Canva Pro actually does this already as well. I think this is one I've already looked at quite a bit. Yeah, here's the post scheduler. I don't remember what it hooked up to. Let's check out the social media accounts. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. Again, no Twitter. Twitter's getting screwed on everything. I think it's because Twitter changed their API and they kind of messed everything up is the problem. All right, so let's look at the features. We got unlimited scheduling. That's already better than the other one. Unlimited creative studio, background removal, automatic resize, brand kits, which is awesome. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube, all future integrations. Instagram and LinkedIn carousels, Instagram Reels, visual layout of planned posts. I think that's the calendar is what they're talking about there. CSVs, PDFs, and Excel exports. YouTube Shorts, custom reports download, and AI word writing tool, 5,000 words per month, which isn't much, but you can add on more AI words up to 20,000 for $100. I wonder if that's a one-time charge. Hopefully that's a one-time charge. All right, license tier 1 starts at $39. You get 5 social media accounts, unlimited workspaces, unlimited users. So if you have a team, you're good to go. Tier 2, 25 social media accounts, unlimited everything. And you can go all the way up to tier 4 with 350 social media accounts. And this is basically where you're getting into the agencies over here. And scrolling down, looks like the extra charges for the AI words is an annual payment. So you get 20,000 extra per month, but you pay an extra $100 annually. So that kind of sucks, actually. I don't like that. It's not a good deal. Yeah, that's not a good deal. Seems to have great reviews though. People love it. All right, so let's head over to their website. It's a 5 out of 5 tacos. So everybody loves it, but there's not very many reviews yet. It's 12 reviews. They do have a free trial, so this is another one. You should probably check out the free trial before you even think about buying it. It looks very similar to Canva. Now, I'm a huge Canva fan, and I do have Canva Pro as well. So I like the calendar, I like the schedule, I like all the integrations, and it looks great. So if you don't have Canva and you don't have another social media manager, this is probably one you want to try. Let's go over pricing. And they do have a free trial, so do the free trial for sure. Okay, and all future professional plan updates. So, again, mid-range. It seems to be the going rate these days. For most AppSumo deals, it's the professional. So that's the one you're tied to. That's why you get the 5,000 AI words. So yeah, if this is something you're interested in, head out and check that. And that's it for AppSumo's weekly roundup. Now, this will be posted tomorrow. I know I'm doing it today on April 30th, but it will be posted on Monday, probably in the afternoon because, I'm a slacker. So that's it. If you guys want me to check out any of these in more detail, post down in the comments. But yeah, that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. See ya.